Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you a stunning feature that makes you leave ChatGPT and go directly to Gemini in its free plan. So now let me show you. Normally when you head over to ChatGPT and go to this sidebar and go to this explore GPTs, for sure we all know these GPTs are custom ChatGPT made by different users to make your tasks faster and precisely. Like for generate videos, images, deep research and so on, as you see. But here if you want to create your custom GPT, make your work smooth and fast, for example to generate articles just by inserting your topic instead of writing the same prompt like in professional tone, 500 words, bullet points, frequently asked questions and so on and so forth. So here you can go to this option, create your GPT, but here you can realize this option is allowed only for paid users or subscriber for ChatGPT Plus. On the other hand, if you go to gemini.google and click over this burger icon and go to this one, here you can find an amazing feature that says Gem Manager. It's similar to the GPT on ChatGPT. Here you can find also different custom gems such as brainstormer, career guide, coding partner and much more. But here if you want to make your own gem, so you can go to this option, new gem, and unbelievably it's completely for free. So here you can give it name as you like and give its instructions to make your own gem work as you want. So for sure I just tried it to make my own gems in gemini.google like this. I made one for attractive titles and headlines and another one for video description, okay, as you see. So now a good question comes up, how we can make this gem and how we can feed it with instructions to give you a precise and a professional result. For example, here if you want to make this one, for example, about the attractive titles and headlines for your articles, videos and so on, you can go to ChatGPT or Gemini, but for that I prefer to use ChatGPT to give you a professional prompt. So you can go to ChatGPT and here answer this prompt as an example, like write me a professional prompt to create headlines that turns heads and make people click over it to read the article or to watch the video. These titles and headlines play on the curiosity of audience and grab attention at the first glance. Such as, and for sure you can give an example to be more clear to this AI, and the result of this activate the prompt 10 different titles that are better than each others. And just in a snap here you can find a professional and comprehensive title prompt as you observe. And if you want to make your gem and make your instructions to make a gem for video description that you can use on YouTube, social media and so on to make your video ranked higher and with a valuable description, so I just use this prompt, a video description like a paragraph but that contains high quality SEO keywords that help the video visible and rank higher on search results. Make the description full of value and every single sentence has a power and to be search engine optimized regarding the topic. And here in just a few seconds give me this amazing prompt. So I just made my own gems on gemini.google. So now let's try it to witness its amazing results. So I can go to Gemini, okay, and for example I want to try the attractive titles and descriptions. Click over this one. Okay, now you can insert any topic you like to get different headlines and titles. So I can, for example, tips to get six-pack for men. Okay, quickly, for example, So I want an attractive and clickable title for my video or for my blog post. So I can click over enter using this amazing gem, and just in a few seconds here you can find amazing headlines like they said it was impossible until he did this for a six-pack, stop working out your abs, and so on. The shocking reason, one tiny change, six-pack shortcuts, warning, it's a play on the curiosity, and so on and so forth. And for sure you can ask more to if you can proceed and follow up a prompt like proceed, give me more, and so on and so forth. Just here you can use this gem or this custom GPT, in other words, to give you results quicker than before. So now we can try this amazing one as for this video description again, and I just insert another prompt or topic, for example, like the best workouts to get a six pack for males. Okay, and here I just click over enter, and in a few seconds this amazing description of your video, whether for YouTube or for TikTok, Instagram videos, and so on, and packed with all these search engine optimized keywords like for six-pack, best app exercises, core workouts, leg raises, lower abs and obliques, abdominal muscles, app exercises at home, six-pack, core strengths, planks, washboard, and so on and so forth, of all these keywords that are included on your description to make it more visible and search engine optimized as much as possible. So now let's together to make your own gem about creating a professional and highly detailed article that contains every single thing we wanna be. So firstly, just you can head over to Gem Manager, okay, and here you can head over to this button, New Gem, and you can give it name like a blog post generator, for example, generator. Okay, perfect. So now it's time to insert this instructions. So just I said earlier, you can get this one from ChatGPT, and here you can insert this prompt. For example, they give me a detailed professional prompt to write an article. Okay, for example, around 600 words. For example, okay, that contains or consists of anything. Contains paragraphs, headings, subheadings. For example, subheadings. We wanna answer something like bullet points, tables, for example, frequently asked questions. Okay, and we can answer quotes, for example, and so on as you like. You can insert here in your prompt, and packed with high quality SEO keywords. And ChatGPT gives me this amazing prompt as you observe. For sure you can edit it as you like. Copy this entire prompt from ChatGPT and go back to our gem here in Gemini and insert here in this instructions. Oh, I just tried later, so I can save this amazing one. Okay, perfect. Start chat. Here I just insert any topic comes in my mind, and it gives me a beautiful and highly detailed blog post. So for example, I just insert dogs. So now click over enter, and here just in few seconds here it would be translated to a beautiful article as you see around this specific topic. Here you can find bullet points, headings, subheadings, tables that contains benefits and descriptions and so on, benefits, feature, pros and cons, anything like that. Beautiful quotes or citations, frequently asked questions, and for sure the whole article with around 600 words, as I said earlier in my original prompt. So you can try this amazing feature. It's completely for free for now to make your own custom gem or custom GPT completely for free. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.